We're on the 5th story of the admin building. We got our Ronco. He's leaning over the edge, getting a little bit of the black algae off the side of the wall, but then we gotta wash these walls. So there's 2 of them. One here and one way over there. So, and also, some of my subscribers think that we don't use harnesses. Well, as you can see, our Ronco's got his harness on, and there's the rope. He's tied off to the roof up here, and he would never even make it over the edge if he slips. So he's good to go. Safety first. I take care of my guys. I'm the only knucklehead that'll get on a house roof every now and then, not use a harness. But yeah, we're gonna get this all dialed in, do these roof ledges, then we're gonna start on the outer perimeter of the building. All right, everybody, safety first. All right, now we're over here on the right side ledge. We just finished cleaning the ledge way over there. Now we're here. Yesterday I wasn't here, but I've got other pictures and everything that we'll post. But there's a chapel that we pressure washed yesterday. But I'll zoom out, you can see how big that thing is. But yep, there's the chapel. All right, back to the admin building. So we're gonna get all these ledges clean. See how dirty they get with all the algae from the ocean? Every building around here gets this. So we end up cleaning every building about every 2 or 3 years. We do a whole complete building clean. More to come. We're gonna get these ledges clean, and then we're gonna get back on the ground and start doing the building. All right, peace. All right, now we are still at Pepperdine. We're at the TAC building. This is the admin building. I've got our Ronco and Julio heading up to the top floor in the snorkel boom. If you want to see what they look like, that's what it looks like. So we don't mess around with AM pressure washing. Get this job done. So he's gonna swing over here to these ledges, and we got to start getting these tall ledges on the top floor. And then we'll start doing the building, all the windows, and everything else. So right now, he's going to get the snorkel boom way up there to the ledges. And then we'll get everything else clean. All right, now we got Julio. He's doing all the windows up above. We done cleaned all of these. Clean the building. He's working his way down. And then we'll be coming over here to this side of the building, doing these windows and doing the balcony. All right, now our Ronco is back out on these ledges. We got him all shackled in, harnessed in, and he's getting all these little points. He's got 2 more to go on this side. Then there's a balcony there. We'll get that balcony cleaned up, all the windows cleaned there. We've already done did the ledge up above the balcony on the 3rd floor. So all those windows and the ceiling and ledge has been cleaned. And we're making our way down. So after we get done with these ledges, we'll do the patio and the windows, and then we'll come down and do the ground floor windows right here. And then we'll make our way around to the back. More to come. Back over at the the loading dock. So I got 2 of the youngsters over here right now. We're steam cleaning all of the loading dock, washing all the walls. This area gets pretty dirty. So we got these walls done. Now we're back to surface cleaning. Whenever you're surface cleaning, you gotta use heat. Anybody that don't use heat, you're not gonna get all the dirt and grime and grease off. But since it's a loading dock and we got kitchens back here, you get a lot of grease. But you can see the before and after. How much difference it is when you use heat. Get all these walls cleaned up. All the dirt coming, the grime coming off the walls. Pepperdine is next to the ocean, so you get a lot of salt, get a lot of black algae on the whole campus. See all that heat coming out, that's steam. We steam the concrete real well. There's the before and after. Alright, now I'm back at the loading dock for the main cafeteria. So we got everything all cleaned up. It's a lot brighter. These stains are rust stains. They've been here for years and there is no getting these up. But as you've seen before in the pictures, there was a lot of grime, grit, and everything else. So they were not able to move the trash enclosure or the roll-offs this time. But we washed up underneath them, we swept up all the debris and got them as clean as we could. We washed all the walls, got all the floor clean, clean all the chute. Now this chute comes from the kitchen. This is where they throw their trash from the kitchen down into the roll-off. I'm sure you'll see trash and bags in there now. Yep. But the loading dock looks a lot better. It gets real greasy and grimy up here from the kitchen. They got all this up through here clean. Washed it up and it looks a lot better. Here's some of their grease traps. But even the staircase in here, we washed it out and washed all of this. So, much better. Alright, now we're on the back side of the admin building. We got our snorkel booms back here. We got guys up on the deck. I got some doing the stucco. I got some doing the windows. And there is Arnulfo and Julio working on the stucco, getting all the green and black algae off of it. So he's about to climb all the way to the top and start that wall. That's the last one. These other ones right here we just cleaned. These little shorties. But that little shorty, and we've already done cleaned this big long one up here. So that one's already done being cleaned. So now, there he goes, heading up the route. And that's our Ronco all the way up there on that ledge, tethered in on his rope, lanyard, working his way down the hill. Give you a little perspective how far we're up. There's 3 more stories down below. What's happening, everybody? Well, check it out. Back at Pepperdine University. We just finished the 21 building, and now we're working on 1 building left. So our Ronco, he's up there getting that last bit done right there. We've got Julio down below. But these are the buildings that we cleaned. There's 21 of them. So this is their rec center. So we're cleaning up the rec building, and we have this last little bit to do right here. All the black algae off the ledges from the ocean. As you can see, it goes all the way across the top up there as well. But we'll get all that dialed in, get it cleaned up. All right, everybody. More to come. Happy Sunday. Peace.